Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a very special unboxing. It is the first item in my collection ever from this brand. So I'm just very excited, and it's also a gift from my husband. So I am going to share that with you. I'm also going to share a very sweet treat that is perfect for the spring and summer. So if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Before we get started today, let's go with some eye candy. I have the bag of the day. This is the Oleada Mini Coast Portfolio Satchel, and it is super duper cute. I unboxed it, I think, in my last video now, and I am so excited to bring this out. So if you haven't seen this one in my last video yet, this is the suede chocolate material. It's so beautiful. I have my Louis Vuitton Murakami cherry blossom twilly tied on one side of it, so then it gives it that, you know, very spring look. I'm probably gonna wear it, I'm gonna wear it with this outfit today. If you would like to see this entire outfit, you can visit my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All. Hopefully I would have put it up by now when this video goes live. But yes, this is my bag of the day. It fits quite a bit of stuff. I'm not going to go too into detail because that's not what this video is about. But if you would like to see the unboxing and, you know, what it can fit and everything, I will link that unboxing video below. But the promotion that is running is still currently live. Get 25% off of your entire order, which includes this bag, as well as other ones of my favorites from Oleada. But in addition, also use angeleyn, my code, not just for 25% off this, but 50% off this very cute pouch. This one comes in 5 colors. This is one of them, and it is a little heart. They call it liqueur, but it is a little heart pouch. It could fit so many things in here. It's huge. You could fit like 3 headphones, I think, in here. You wouldn't need to do that, but I'm just saying you can fit that in there and other things, and then you can like hook it to your bag. It'll make a great accessory. I really like that pink one, so I may go back for another one. I don't know, but yeah, this one is super cute. If you're interested, my code gets you 50% off this and 25% off everything else. So I have 2 things to share with you. I think I'm going to go with the sweet treat first because I think that one's short and sweet. So I wanted to save the majority of this video for the Cartier unboxing. So the sweet treat I'm talking about is these guys. This is a gift from Emile Cordon, and they are a New York brand. First of all, I love my lip balms, and I also love fruity floral scents, and especially for the spring and the upcoming summer. And they have just those things. So first of all, they have this beautiful card, which is a little thank you card. And then here comes a pouch of your items, and it says this bag contains magic. So you can kind of see that there. It's so cute. These are made in the US, which is great. And each individual one looks like this. They all come in these cardboard boxes. It feels very sturdy, but I feel like it could also be recycled, so that's great. And these are their classic lip balms. So right now they only have lip balms available, but I'm hoping they'll expand it to something else. So let me just open one. Let's see, this one looks like this, and as you can see, it is a little pot of balm, and it also says elderflower. So this one is the elderflower scent. It is limited edition, and I think it's still available, but let me just take a smell of this. Oh, it smells lovely. It definitely has like a light floral scent, and this is the balm. So I know it says lip balm here, but you can definitely use it for other things like your cuticles, other skin uses, because these are not colored. You can actually use it on basically as like an overall balm. I will probably mainly use it as a lip balm, but I just wanted to let you know that that is an option. So yes, this one is elderflower. Let's see what else I got in here. This one, ooh. So they all look the same, and they're great for gifting because they're just so like simple and classic looking, you know? This one is French pear, and let's see what French pear smells like. This one is also limited edition, so ooh. It does have a pear scent. It's very light. It's not like super artificial in your face, but you can kind of see that this one has like a blue hue to it. I don't think it'll show up with any color on your lips, but I love that. It's great. I have two more in here. This one's interesting. It's called Lisa, and it is not limited edition. So let's see what this one smells like. Oh, I love this one. It has like a sweet floral scent, and this one actually has like a pink hue to it. I can't put my finger on what it seems like. It's like a vanilla, but I also have some florals. This one smells really nice. This one's very classic, so maybe this, I can see why this is not limited edition, because yeah, this one's a very good one to have just overall. Let's look at the last one. This one is a candied chestnut. It has like a bit of a nutty kind of sweet nutty kind of scent, but it's almost smells like nothing. And this one has like a nudish hue to it. So I don't think any of these are actually colored. So I'm gonna go back with the Lisa one. This one has, if you remembered, the pinkish tone. So ooh, it just like melts in. I don't know if you can see, but like my finger just melts into it. It looks like a hard kind of balm, but yeah, like it's like melting on my finger. So let's take a look on my lips. Ooh, wow, it's so easy to apply. It feels very luxurious. It kind of feels, it's thin, so it's not thick or sticky. It's very smooth, and you could feel like it's coating your lips. So it feels like it's going to stick around for a while. So let me wear this for the duration of this video, and then we'll come back and see how I feel about this. But yeah, this one's Lisa. I could like feel there's a scent, but yeah, it feels really lovely. It doesn't seem overpowering. But if you're very sensitive to scents, you may still be able to like feel that this is too strong. So definitely give it a try. I personally love my scents, and I don't think it's too strong. So I do have a promo code for these. I will link the special link below. You can also use angeleyn15 at checkout to get 15% off. Currently, I believe they have a special sale as well going on. So use the link and it'll take you right to the sale. And thank you to Emile Cordon for sending me these to try, because I am loving these. All right, let's get on to the unboxing. This, oh my goodness. Oh, I have been wanting one of these for a while. It's not really one that I put on my wish list because I don't know. It's just something that I always like go and shop for, try on, but then I kind of just like leave it on the back burner. And let me just kind of get into it, and then I can talk more about why this is the one that I ended up getting. So it comes in this Cartier bag. I mean, you've probably seen this a lot before if you've seen like luxury unboxings. I'll just show you the main thing. There's a couple more items in here, but this is the box that the item is in. So it's kind of, the white is kind of blinding, but it does have Cartier written up here. Let's take a look at what we have. There is a little tag here that says jewelry box. I don't know why. I think it feels like it should be removed, right? Anyway, it's fine. Alrighty, here we are. This folds down, and oh, this box is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna slide this out. There's nothing left in this box. And then there's a little tab here. This is like a little leather tab to protect the little mechanism to open the box with. I just want to take a moment to look at like the box. It's like so, it feels so well made, but it's also like ornate. So you can kind of see all the gold detailing on everywhere around the box. But I also love these like corners that have been kind of designed this way. And here's the bottom. So here is the button. You press the button and it opens up to reveal my first Cartier piece, and it is the Panther watch. So, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Let me take it out and show you. So I got this as a gift from my husband. We usually get gifts for each other for, you know, birthdays, I don't know, anniversary, Christmas, and I usually get him something at each one of those times, but he's opted to get me something just once a year and to cover all of the celebration, all of the festivities, which is nice because these are expensive pieces. I have been looking at this, and he's come with me to look at this watch before. This is, like I said, in the Panther. It is two-tone, and it is gold and silver, and it is in the small size. So let me just try this on. This is not going to be, oh, there's like a little protective cover here, but this is not going to fit me because I'm generally more petite. I don't think things usually fit me just out of the box. I will usually wear it on my left hand, but wrist, but I am going to put it on my right wrist for you just because I have my watch there, my pixel here. But here it is. Let me just angle it so you can see. Look how beautiful. I mean, oh, I love it. When he showed me, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the one I want. And he's like, I know. It is a very dainty watch. It's definitely more of a jewelry piece than a watch. My husband's the one that's more into watches, if you've seen his unboxings. This is my first Cartier piece. And I can close it all up, but just to show you, even with it closed up, you can see that there is quite a lot of space. But we will go and get it fitted today, and I will try to take some videos if I can of the process. It should be free. I just gotta bring it back to a Cartier location. And yeah.
We made an appointment at my local Cartier, and they adjusted the bracelet strap for free. They adjusted it behind the scenes so I couldn't take any videos, but it is now perfectly fitted.
All right, so a little background on why I picked this watch. I've actually tried this watch on in the mini size and in the one size bigger than this, which is the medium size. I also tried it on in the single, just silver, as well as the two-tone rose gold silver, but the rose gold silver has a lot of diamonds all around. So I loved that one. I just didn't think that with all the diamonds, I could wear it just to work. This one, I could wear it somewhere fancy, but I could also just wear it more casually. So that is why I chose this one. I have, like I said, been trying this on for many years now. I think like 3 years now. Every time I go into a Cartier or like a Cartier dealer, I try it on, and I always gravitate back towards this one. So I definitely think this is I'm not going to change my mind. Yeah, let me show you the other things in the box. Since this is the first time that I got something from Cartier, I don't know if this is something that usually comes with every purchase, but I did get one of these guys. This is a travel case, I think. So it's got this like red velvet pouch, and then clasp closure, and it does say Cartier right there. And inside is a little pillow, and I think this is the pillow that you wrap your watch around, and then you can put it in here. And then there is a slip pocket, actually 2 slip pockets. So you can see that there's one right here, and then there's another one right there. So there are 2 like little slip pockets, and then there's like a main pocket. So I guess you can put other things in here. I don't know what you would put. I guess if I wanted to, I could put my earrings in there, but I don't want to like damage anything by stuffing it too full. So if you do own a Cartier watch or a Cartier jewelry piece, let me know how you store your items in this pouch. And the other thing that came with this is a box like this. It has the same look. It says Cartier with the texture material, and there's a little pull tab right here, and inside is the cleaning solution case. So there is this piece. This says lotion for jewelry and watches. So it's 100% natural ingredients, it says. So it's just I think it's just water and some surfactant agents. I don't know, it's plastic. It's a little spray bottle, and you also have a little white cloth here, and I think that's how you clean it and wipe it, wash. I don't know. I have to read it probably in here. This is the booklet that I think they tell you. Okay, there's a lot of languages, but yeah, I think this is basically the cleaning kit, which I think if I bring my watch in to get resized, they can tell me a little bit more about it, just because I was not there when my husband picked this up. So, oh, I almost forgot. There's a little toothbrush looking thing in there, so it's kind of cute. I think you can definitely, Yeah, it's very soft bristles, so I think you can definitely get into the grooves of your jewelry or your watch. Again, it is a gift from my husband for this entire years of festivities and celebrations, and I'm so glad he picked up this piece. He knows that I like it, so I think that's why, and it's also not something that I would go out and get myself, so yeah, that was a very good idea, and I'm so happy and thankful that he got me it. If you own one of these watches, I would love to hear your thoughts on it and how you keep it clean or travel with. I don't think they sell this online, so if I can find something, I will link it below. Otherwise, I'll probably try to link some resale versions of this watch, because I think you can probably get it for a lot less and still get the same like heritage and quality about the watch. I will also link the Emile Cordon. Oh, by the way, now that we're at the end of the video, wow, okay, it still feels like the same way it felt on when I first put it on this video, which has been maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes now, and I've been talking a lot. So I think this is actually a very good lip item. I will come back with a follow-up maybe in a different video. If you're interested, I will link all 4 of those scents below. I think they have 12 scents total. So if you're interested in giving that a look, they have things like citrus, or like more sweet or more ladylike, which I think is more floral, but they have different categories. They even have a voyage category, which I'm not sure what that exactly means. I think it's just maybe their collection. But yeah, I am really liking this. One thing I will say, if I wanted to ever bring it somewhere, having an applicator would be very nice. But these guys sitting on my vanity or just, you know, bedside on my nightstand would be so perfect for just like a quick pick-me-up or part of my, you know, morning routine. So I will link those below along with the 15% off code. Oh, and if you're interested in this beautiful cardigan for spring, this is one that I've shown before. This is from Estier. It is currently on sale. You can use my promo code as well, which I'll link down in the description box below. And finally, the last thing that I showed you here is this bag, which I'll be bringing out today. This one's from Oleada. Again, I have 25% off right now with my code, as well as 50% off the heart pouch, and that sale ends May 11th. So definitely take advantage. I will link everything below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.